good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this from. This is Cornelius Tuvinda with another video. And in this video, we are proving the identity cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta plus tan theta is equivalent to secant theta. And this is carrying 4 marks. This is the 2022 paper 1 internal. Though it was not included, it was not indicated the year, but it's the 2022 paper 1 internal. Take note, please. So if you look at the left-hand side of the identity and the right-hand side of the identity, it would be best for us to choose the left-hand side because there are expressions that we can simplify further. Okay, so we are going to say left-hand side. Left-hand side is equal to what? So cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Like that, and then we'll say plus tan theta, which is the same as, okay, we'll just write it the way it is before we start simplifying. So plus tan theta, then now we can start simplifying, is equal to cos theta you divide by 1 plus sin theta, and then plus tan theta is sin theta you divide by cos theta. And then the lowest common denominator will be when you multiply those two denominators. So it's equal to, we have 1 plus sin theta in a bracket multiplied by the other bracket, that will be cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta cos theta is going to be cos theta. Cos theta multiplied by the numerator, which is cos theta, is going to be cos theta squared. Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta cos theta is going to be 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta multiplied by the numerator, which is sin theta, will be plus sin theta multiplied by what? 1 plus sin theta. Let me just extend it like that. So that's how it would look. And then to continue, we would expand that bracket, okay, as we can see. So it's going to be equal to, let's write it somewhere here, cos theta squared, cos theta only, is it? That's cos theta squared. Cos theta squared, okay, plus sin theta times 1 will be sin theta. Then sin theta times positive sin theta is going to be plus sin theta squared. And then we're going to divide by what? We're going to divide by 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta multiplied by what? Multiplied by cos theta. And then to continue, we can see that there is something common already, or there's an identity that we know already. We can see there is cos theta squared and there is sin theta squared. If you want, you can add them the way they are and just write a1. But let's group them together so that it can make more sense. So we're going to say is equal to cos theta squared plus sin theta squared. So I've grouped these together because it's something that we know. And then plus sin theta there, that is what has remained, plus sin theta. Then you divide by what? 1 plus sin theta multiplied by cos theta. So we have cos theta squared plus sin theta squared is going to give us what? It's going to give us a 1. So on top we're going to have 1 plus sin theta, so which is equal to 1 plus sin theta. You divide by what? You divide by the multiplication of 1 plus sin theta, and then multiplied by what? multiplied by cos theta. So what we can see that since we are multiplying, we can, let me write the brackets, we can easily cancel out 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta to give you a 1. So you are going to have is equal to 1, you divide by cos theta, and then your answer is going to simply be a sec theta. Okay, sec theta, like that. And then your right hand side was what? Was sec theta. So this identity was quite easy. So the right hand side was sec theta. Then you conclude by saying therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then you say hence what? Hence proven. Like that. Thanks so much for watching this video segment. This has been Cornelius Dubinda with another video, and bye bye.